On this setup, I haven't taken a single shot yet, for this new setup anyways. So in this setup, I added that light up there, which is gonna give a nice little hair light for the subject. Then I have this beauty dish here, which is obviously gonna light our subject. On this setup, I haven't taken a single shot yet, for this new setup anyways. So in this setup, I added that light up there, which is gonna give a nice little hair light for the subject. Then I have this beauty dish here, which is obviously gonna light our subject. And then we have this light here, which is gonna just act as a fill. So this is just a 3-light setup that's gonna be working for this particular setup. And that's the camera, all right? And for this cinematic setup, I'm gonna drop my aperture just a little bit. I'm gonna have you come forward. Right about there. Give me 1 second, let me just do a test. Sure, too powerful. So let me drop that power just a little bit. Okay, and let's drop power on that backlight. And what channel is this on? Or group, I should say. This is on group D. I should just put this on group C actually. So that's on C. All right, so let's do another test here. Testy test, 1, 2, 3. All right, much better. That looks amazing. That looks awesome. Oh my goodness, look at it. All right, 1, 2, 3. Beautiful, hang on, let me just drop my, hang on, 1, 2, 3. All that, 1, 2, 3.
Hey guys, it's Ernesto. So this video is sponsored by me, right, me. But the reason I'm sponsoring my own video is because I just launched the members only section of the YouTube channel. What you get access to is tons of behind the scenes videos of me basically doing photo shoots with subjects or with my clients. And you can just basically see the full behind the scene content, raw, uncut. You guys would just be over my shoulder watching everything that I do. You also get access to my post-production techniques. We also will do live sessions so that the community could participate and raise questions. So if that's something that you're into, then become a member. Link is down below. So I'll see you later.
Step to your right a little bit. To your right. That will be your left. And step back a little bit. Right there. All right, yeah, this is gonna work beautifully. Let me just take a look at this here. Yeah, the colors are gelling nicely. I put a red gel on that one right there. Okay, wonderful. All right, so let me show you So I'll come around here. So basically, it's not a still, it's movement. So basically it's 2 different exposure. That light there is going to be 1 exposure, which is going to be the red gel. And then this purple light over here is going to be our 2nd exposure. So there will be like 2 images of you. So you could do essentially 2 different poses, but when you're moving, like you see, you could be on this side of the frame, and then when you move, so basically when you're here, you can move like so, but if you move like so, then you're basically exposing on yourself basically. So you have to, when you move,
in the
just,
opposite direction.
yeah, but don't come out of frame. But I'll show you how far you could go, because if you go too far, you'll be out of frame. Do 2 poses, go again. No, stay in the same spot. So in this, so same principle apply. If you do a pose, boom, and you just decide to make a slight move like boom, you're posing over yourself, right? But if you do a pose like so, this is one frame, and then if you come up, that'll be another frame, so it'll be, two arm shots there. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Heard them lasers talking now and we don't pay that no mind. Didn't need to watch them, know that I'll be here in no time. Put a candle on and had to tell them they could blow mine. Lights, camera, action, it shows.
I'm smoking that dope from Edmond. We the new meth in Redmond. We ain't real blood, but we brethren. Run up a check and it's pending. She talking my news, we'll send them. The fam, you a dead man. Jesus, peace on my pendant. And we still independent. ISO, yeah, we trending. Watch what you say, don't offend them. They keeping it real, they commend them. People like get your wife pregnant.